Good for Business is sponsored by Washington Federal Bank. Call us WaFd Bank.
Good Thursday morning to you, everybody. Brad Goode here with your Good for Business report. Well, the pandemic has been devastating to the hospitality industry workforce, and we're learning it will take years to recover. A hotel industry report shows that 56% of people plan to travel for leisure this year, but business travel is not expected to return until 2024. The hospitality industry is down nearly 4 million jobs compared to the same time in 2019. Some 200,000 jobs are expected to be filled this year. Overall, the accommodation sector faces a nearly 19% unemployment rate. Half of U.S. hotel rooms are projected to remain empty this year. Plenty of investors are keeping an eye on the stock price of GameStop this morning. The stock price opened at $347 after a surge. It's up more than 1,000% since the start of the year. It was like $40 a week ago. The struggling video game retailer has become the happy target of smaller investors banding together. They've banded together in places like Reddit to boost the price and give a raspberry of sorts to more traditional Wall Street traders and hedge funds. It's not just GameStop. Shares of AMC jumped more than 230% the other day. The Twitter trend, #SaveAMC, spread amid concerns the movie theater chain might file for bankruptcy due to the pandemic, keeping moviegoers away. By the way, GameStop stock is up again about another 10% this morning. So that game is clearly not over. So how did we do last year? Gross domestic product, or GDP, the sum of all goods and services produced, drooped by 3.5% in 2020. That's the worst since World War II, according to the Commerce Department. The economy we know now fell into recession in February as the pandemic erupted. But the signs of recovery are apparent. Fourth quarter GDP rose 4%, so it appears the contraction is behind us. Personal spending, private investment, and exports all surged at the end of 2020 as well. The head of the Federal Reserve says the most important for the economy now is simply getting vaccinated. Well, Wall Street dumped hard yesterday in the biggest sell-off in several months as some investors worry a stock bubble has been building, so money was pulled off the table. We do see quite a rebound developing this morning. Checking Wall Street, we see a triple-digit snapback with the Dow up more than 318 points in early trade. Be good to yourselves. That's Good for Business. Powered by WaFd Bank.